In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to flat twist as a beginner, someone who doesn't know how to flat twist at all. Listen, when you are done watching this video, you will definitely know how to flat twist. Okay, welcome to my channel. My name is Peace, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make flat twist as a beginner. Okay, so first things first, what are flat twists? Flat twists are cornrows, but they are not braids. Okay, you're making them into cornrows, but instead of braiding them, you are twisting them. Okay, so they are simply twists that are made into cornrows. I'm assuming that you know that there are different kinds of twists. Since there are different kinds of twists, then it means there will be different kinds of flat twists, and the technique that I will use will not be the technique that another person will use. Okay, because all our hands are different, our fingers are different, our fingerprints are different, and the way we do our things are definitely different. So the angle that I take mine will definitely be different from the angle that that person will take hers. Okay, so there are different kinds of flat twists. There are stitched flat twists, there are flat twists that you add extensions in, but this one that I'm doing here is like the basic form of flat twist. If you know how to flat twist the way I'm doing right now, then you can do any kind of flat twist no matter what. So quickly, I'm just going to be going into the tutorial. I made some twist before I started so that I don't waste your time, I don't bore you. First things first, you need to know that before you make your flat twist, you need to get in water, oil and conditioner. Most people use the LOC method, the liquid oil conditioner method, but you can also use the LCO method. Alright, just make sure that you get those products in. And the reason why people do that is that a lot of people that flat twist their hair, they want to do a twist out when they are done. Okay, so that way your hair will look better when you do a twist out. Now to our tutorial properly, I just part my hair, and this is how I do my flat twist. Make sure to go in with your index finger like the way I am doing. Once you go in with your index finger, then you can now use your other hand to grab it, light down, go again with your index finger. Now somebody may be asking that why am I going in bigger sections instead of smaller sections? I feel like whatever you are learning in this life, is easier to go with bigger sections than smaller sections, especially when it has got to do with hair. If I were to teach someone how to braid right now, I would go with bigger sections and not smaller sections, so that the person can easily grab that hair firm before the person works with a smaller section. That's what I believe in. So just go in with your index finger one at a time, then use the other hand to grab it in. That way you are twisting and then you are getting some of the hair to continue. Okay, that way just continue into a cornrow. It's very easy. It is something that you can learn in very few minutes. And the problem with flat twist most of the times is when you get towards the end, after you are done grabbing some of that hair, when you want to get towards the end, it becomes very loose. So if you don't know how to tighten your flat twist or grab your flat twist, I would advise that you use like a small rubber band to hold it. Then you can now twist to the end, or you can braid to the end. That way your flat twist will not lose. Okay, because one thing with flat twist is that they may not last long if you don't grab them well. All right, so I'll just let you watch the remaining of this tutorial, and I'll see you at the end of the video. So right now we are done making those flat twists. I made 6 flat twists. So basically I hope that you've learned something. If you are watching at this point, then it means that you love this video. Why not go ahead and give me a subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment in the comment section. If there's anything you did not understand, let me know. I'm gonna be making another video, probably tinier section, so that you understand. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.